This video delves into the rights of pensioners following the transition from pension rules to pension regulations, with a specific focus on the State Bank of India. Pension regulations have developed over time to guarantee financial stability for retirees. These regulations are crucial as they offer retirees a reliable source of income post-retirement. The objective of this analysis is to assess the possibility of challenging the commutation of pensions granted under previous regulations according to the 2014 regulations. The contention is that the petitioners lack the legal standing to dispute this decision since the 2014 regulations were not applicable at the time of their retirement. Rights acquired before the implementation of the 2014 regulations are considered fundamental and protected. The purpose of the 2014 regulations is to ensure that the transition from old to new rules does not negatively affect retirees. Established legal precedents support the argument for maintaining continuity of rights. It is emphasized that identical provisions in both previous and updated regulations guarantee that retirees' rights remain uninterrupted. The provisions regarding commutation of pensions under earlier rules laid a foundation for employee benefits. This consistency is critical in determining the legal standing of claims filed by retirees. Through maintaining similar provisions in commutation provisions, the 2014 regulations ensure that retiree rights remain unaltered. On 15 September 2014, a Gazette notification was issued superseding the State Bank of India Employees Pension Fund rules. The Central Board of the State Bank of India has established new regulations, ensuring that rights accrued under earlier rules are not invalidated. These regulations provide continuity unless explicitly stated otherwise. The supersession clause implies that prior regulations are nullified, however, rights established before 2014 are preserved. This dual framework creates a legal environment where retirees can rely upon previously vested rights even as regulations shift. The 2014 SBI regulations introduce updated frameworks for pension management, including detailed provisions on commutation, retirement benefits, and compliance measures. One central feature is the explicit supersession of earlier rules while retaining certain rights. This slide will discuss the definition and importance of supersession, including how it affects earlier rules and the legal standing of vested rights. Regulation 27 states that actions under past rules remain valid even after supersession occurs. This clause operates as a safeguard for retirees, affirming that their accrued benefits are preserved and remain enforceable. The savings clause effectively protects decisions made under earlier regulations, providing a clear pathway for retirees to challenge any invalidation of their rights based on the regulatory changes. For pensioners, the implications are straightforward. Their entitlements and decisions made under earlier rules still stand even with the introduction of new regulations, thereby empowering retirees to assert their rights. Legal precedents play a crucial role in preserving rights across different rules. Locus Standi refers to the right of a party to appear in court and present their case. It is a crucial concept in legal proceedings, allowing individuals to claim their rights based on vested interests. Petitioners assert their standing based on the existence of accrued pension rights, which directly link them to the regulations under dispute. Their legal claim emphasizes continuity and protection of rights in the face of regulatory changes. Opposing arguments claim that the 2014 regulations nullify previous rights. However, this view ignores the clauses within the new regulations which ensure that rights remain valid and enforceable regardless of supersession. Rulings in the cases of Chairman, Railway Board v. C.R. Rangadhmay and D.S. Nakara v. Union of India are directly relevant to current topic, as they provide a legal foundation supporting the notion that vested rights must be preserved amid regulatory changes, validating the petitioner's claims. Petitioners expect that their rights will be upheld by both legal and regulatory frameworks, allowing them to effectively claim their rightful pensions without fear of retroactive nullification. The legal backing for petitioners' claims is robust due to the retention of rights in the face of regulatory changes. This results in strong support for their position in any legal proceedings. Case studies demonstrate the efficacy of preserving rights and offer a lens through which to view the petitioner's ongoing fight. Their claims are substantiated by analyzed outcomes of similar cases. The analysis concludes that vested rights have been preserved despite changes in regulations, ensuring that retirees continue to enjoy the benefits they accrued under earlier rules. Petitioners face challenges from the interpretation of new regulations. However, the clarity of the savings clause serves as a crucial defense mechanism. Continuous legal support for petitioners is crucial as they navigate complex cases involving pension rights. Legal representation ensures that their voices are amplified in legal discussions. Thank you for watching. If the video is informative, please like, subscribe and share. S. Satyanarayan, Satya Videos.